YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy, uh, 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 Wavy Hendrix back in the building. Y'all already know, aka Lottie, man. We are out here. It is 2019, man. I hope all of y'all are doing y'all best life. You know what I'm saying? Living y'all best life. You know what I'm saying? Doing y'all best. I'm definitely super excited, man. It's been just super busy for me, man. I'm supposed to be doing video, and of course, once again, your boy failed y'all, and I do apologize for that, but it doesn't change the fact that your boy is lit, man. I'm lit. Alright, so of course you already know I put the hat on because the waves are a little crazy right now, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I need to shape up. I'm looking crazy. I'm looking like somebody's grandpa. But y'all already know, man. So pretty much I've been doing this thing. Y'all already know what it is. I mean, I'm sorry I've been bringing it up too much. I really have. I do apologize for that. But yes, I have been doing that. I've been going to these meetings, going to events, signing people up. Just it's been a blessing, man. That's all I'm gonna say. It's been a blessing. I've showed it to a few people, and a few people have just gravitated to that same concept. Like, yo, this is actually really lit. Wow, like, why am I not a part of it? And I'm just like, I don't know. Like, that's why I told you. But listen, whatever. Yo, so, shout out to everybody who's like I said, super supportive, man. You guys are amazing. I promise you, we are gonna work. We are going to grind. We are going to bounce back. We are gonna come back with more action-packed videos. I do promise you that. Especially because I'm planning on going on so much more vacations this year and enjoying my life to the max. You feel me? You feel me? So we're gonna try to do the best week. We're gonna try to do exactly what it is that we need to do when we gotta get to where we gotta get to. If you know what I'm talking about, everybody raise your hand. Let's go. So I definitely gotta do a new washing style video. I gotta do some new product review videos and stuff like that, because I have been using new products and turning up with that. So shout outs to all my older subscribers. You guys is lit. I mean, yeah, I know about some of these products that I'm about to bless y'all with and all of that. I've been using also, like I said, you guys heard me talk about it, 360 Brotherhood. They have this nice product that I'm actually feeling it. It's pretty lit. I don't use the conditioner or the shampoo because I don't, you know, I have something else that I use on my own that honestly it's just been working out for me, and when I wash my hair it be smelling like oh, la, la, la. Exactly. So that's how you feeling? You're just gonna pull up in a video like that? That's how you feeling? Oh hell no. So that was my mom's. Y'all already know what it is, man. Like I said, man, I do appreciate everybody who is watching and showing that love, man. We lit. Listen, man, if you lasted this long, all you gotta do is spam up Team Mom, because she just popped up out of nowhere. I don't even know why she did that. And yo, also, man, so like now that I'm in a different state of mind, and you know what I'm saying, getting back to that Sir Cruz bully situation, that whole thing. I mean, listen, man, Sir Cruz is gonna do what Sir Cruz wanna do, man, and he's been doing that from jump, from his IG lives to his YouTube channel. And like I said, it doesn't matter if it's a little kid, if it's an adult. I've seen somebody, he hit me with the comment saying that it's little kids, but at the end of the day, Sir Cruz been doing that since day one. You guys gave him the power. You guys show him the support. So that's exactly who he is. He's not changing. You know what I'm saying? That he has that, like, it's like a dry sarcasm. It's almost like that 70s show or The Ranch or The Office. You know what I'm saying? It's that kind of comedy that he has, that he brings to the table, and I think it's lit. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I think Sir Cruz is hilarious. You know what I'm saying? Alright? But it is what it is, man. Peace. Actually, wait, no, I'll bring that back. I got this little camera, man, and I used it once. We gotta do some more videos with it, cause it's lit. So we could start to walk around and pretty much get more outside videos, get some more lit videos, get some more scenes, get some. Alright, we gonna be lit. Alright, man. Everybody, have a great night, man.
How you feel? How you feel? I'm feeling loose. Check out my moves. I got the juice. Yeah. How you feel? How you feel? I'm feeling nice. Cup full of ice. I got the juice. Check out my moves. I got the juice.